Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Halor ke Jingwan her ki drone ki balatip kum ki be raktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle jongkari Bangladesh hajan kathain sora batshala nagliang usembut menteri rangba kejala ubak Prestuntun song habakran syakilat pathai kobor mendak sengi ulaong bawatla kan kakam ram jong ki BSF ban Paidbah Henry ke sorkar jelaru kala shimkhya halor kani bat kala dabru banyakran bat ke sorkar pedeng ban Pyntikna bakanum don kanu jinsyong sier yaki Paidbah kejala bat kadiru kumjuru ula kerpat iki Paidbah kari baginam sngutiang halor kani namar baka sorkar kala Pyntikna bakanum don kanu Jingma ya kari jongi ulaong ru baka sorkar jala kala kran ru halor kani bat katranat Ministry of Home Affairs ke sorkar pedeng Henry amla banyathu yaki kijinga kran hapdeng jongki Laban kedua berkata ke jingja kalau jah ke sepotarik uno opera arjar pesau ke baderu ke sengi bawan unong ruai bapau nam keri Kanada O'Brien Adams hanong ba Shillong. Kishipai BSF ke lihat hu balalap yang kata ke UAV daga radar jong ke Indian Air Force. Ki kubor ki hu ru baya ki bakum kini ki UAV lalap ru hajan kaput Bangladesh jong ke Phang Shathi ke Tripura, Phang Sapngi ke Mizoram, bat ke West Bengal. Laban kedua berkini ke Jingwan her ki drone na Bangladesh kedai hadian ke jingkhalam no ke sorkar jong ke Sheikh Hasina kepada ke Presiden jong kari Bangladesh.
Well, in fact, from the state government, as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe. We are in touch. We are in touch between the state government and the Ministry of Home Affairs. We are always in touch, almost twice a day. And then we are also sharing the inputs each other. But I'll not be able to detail everything, whatever we shared between the Ministry of Home Affairs and the state government.
Thank you.
Thank you.